Hi, the main purpose of this ICP is to use Ionic to create a login page with username, password, and a login button. If the user is logging in for the first time, then the user has to register. Once the user is registered, the user should be able to sign in to the application. Yeah, now let's see the demo. I am running the command. Yes, this is the Ionic lab. I've just ran the command and this is the lab. So this is the Android version, Windows version, and the iOS version. Now let's log in with some username and password. Let's see what it says. It says invalid credentials. So as I'm the first time logging into the system, I'll go with the new user over here and I'm registering it. Let's close all this iOS and window for time being. Yeah, and this is the register page. So I'll create an account. So before creating, I have added few validations. Let's see the validations. If I just click on register without entering the fields, it says mandatory column should be entered. So over here the mandatory columns are which are in red, which we can see. So username and password and confirm password. So username, I'm giving my name Neeraj, and the first name is P. The password I'll give QWERTY, and the confirm password I'll give some other thing. So it should throw an error that password and confirm password should be the same. So it is throwing an error. So I'll give it to the confirm same password. If you see, I have also added a validation which says count and says it should have exactly 3 characters. So I'm entering. After entering, it goes away. So the both passwords are same and the username is Neeraj. So I'm registering it here. So I've registered. Now let's log in into the application. So username over here is Neeraj. The password over here is QWERTY. For this as well, I have added this validation which we tab out and we doesn't enter into the field. It says required, and entering it says 3 characters should be there, and QWERTY is the password. I'm logging in. See, it says an alert box has appeared saying login is successful. So this is the Android version, and it is also the same with the iOS and Windows. So even we can check it in the web screen as well. Let's see, mandatory column should be entered. So here itself we also got it, login successful. The same functionality happens in web and all the apps. So it's an hybrid app. I have achieved this by this logic using local storage, ng storage. Let's see the code. For seeing the code, this is the file structure which it has created, the framework Ionic 1. If I click on www, and these are the folders which I have modified, index and register, as well as JS file and CSS file. So let's see the code. So this is the index HTML, which is the first one which shows on the screen, shows on the application, first activity of it. So these are the fields which I have created, username and password, and this is the login button and href for register. And let's see the JS for this index HTML. So this is the login register controller for that index HTML. So I'm getting the username, password, and this is the normal validation checking for mandatory and alert thing. And over I have used local storage to get the column which I'm storing it in the register screen. So let's see the register screen of it. So in the register screen, if you see, this is the box content. In the box content, I've added all the fields with the validations as well, and this is the error tag which shows an error. I'm checking. Yes, this is done. Let's see the JS for this register page. Just this is the register controller for the register HTML and the local storage and the window for href for to login. If you see here, I'm adding it in a username login and password login, scope.username and password, so local storage, and style CSS which I've added for this red color to appear red to green once the item is entered in the mandatory columns, and the text fields as well. Yes, this is the code part of it. Thank you.